Yay, we're back at the farm. I love this place so much.
I know, it's way better than being in the city and having nothing to do.
I hope we can meet some sheep. I love them so much.
Hopefully some chooks, maybe, because we've got some food here. Or we can meet rats. Is anyone up for rats?
Rats?
We can also eat them.
They're dirty.
Oh, well, I just want a pet rat.
Ew.
Weird. I can do magic tricks with it and play sport with it and anything I want.
You're weird.
Anyway, we should go feed the chook now. If
Yeah.
we can find her.
We've got some chicken food here anyway.
Yeah, let's go.
Oh, this is going to be so fun. I love feeding chickens.
I'll take the basket.
I want to feed some rats. Really, Brooklyn? Come on, let's go. I just want to see a rat. What's so bad about a rat? Okay, I'm coming. Let's
You
go.
sure you won't just wander off and go and find a rat?
I'm sure. I'll try not to.
Let's go.
Hey guys, wait for me! Really? Wait, I'm coming. Wait, it's a bit bumpy. I guess I'm not really used to running around in farm country. Let's go. Where's the chicken anyway?
I think she's over there. Look, digging.
Hey, I can see her. She's digging.
We actually can
Digging
find
up
her.
something. Huh.
Digging up for a rat. We better go save the rat. Come on.
Really?
Since when have you seen a chick eating a whole
Chicken!
rat?
I want to go see it. I want to go see it so much. Oh, it's so cute. It's so cute. Oh, I didn't actually see it before, but now I see it. Huh, I wonder what its name is. Quick, feed it some food.
Okay. Chook.
Is she going to eat it? She ate it.
She ate it. She knows where everything is.
Yum.
And another one here.
Feed the whole thing.
Hang on, one more.
Oh, it's not a rat.
Well, obviously it isn't. It doesn't look like one, does it? How about we feed
It's
the
cool.
whole thing
It's
to her?
eating it.
Should I just throw it to her?
Hey, I wonder what her name is.
Hang on, let's tip it out here and step back.
I think her name is Charlotte.
Oh yeah, it said on the poster they had of a chook, didn't it?
Yeah, this one looks just like Charlotte.
Hello, Charlotte.
Hi, Charlotte. Have you seen any rats? Oh,
Seriously,
she's too busy eating.
Yeah, she is too busy. Oh, I think in there is a little chicken.
She's
house.
kind of cute.
Guys, I think up here is a chicken house. Is it a chicken house? Charlotte, is it a chicken house? She's too busy.
She's eating.
What should we do now?
I heard there's some pet sheep.
Should
Let's
we
go
find
do
them?
the sheep.
Okay then, let's go.
Let's go. Bye,
Bye,
Charlotte.
You're being very nice to us.
Let's go.
Oh, you're scaring
Oh.
her away from her friend.
Guys, I think the paddock's over there. Come on, let's go. I'm so excited. I've never seen sheep before. Well, I have, but not in a long time. Let's go. I'm so excited.
We went there was like, I don't know.
Years ago. Well, I don't see any sheep. It looks pretty empty to me.
Well then, why don't we go and see?
Okay. Now I have to climb over this gate. Silly gate. This is so annoying. Hey, look, there's some sheep food there.
He made it.
Yeah.
Oh,
Look, Fijo is... I don't think sheep eat Fijos. Weird. Hey, should we take one? Just in case they do want to eat it.
yeah.
I'll take this one. It's nice and big. Let's go.
I think I see a sheep over there somewhere.
Where?
I think I saw one somewhere.
I don't see any sheep. Where?
Over there, by the trees.
Cool.
She just
Yeah. Hopefully they're pets so we can pet them.
Yeah.
Let's go to the closer ones.
Yeah, hopefully they're friendly, because I really want to touch one.
Whoa, guys, check out that awesome as mountain there in the backdrop.
Let's go over here.
That's
Come on.
super cool.
What's in there? Come on, let's run.
What is it? Oh, it's just a trough.
Trough. That's cool. Let's go.
But it's dirty. I wonder if it has any frogs.
Oh, let's go.
Hmm?
There's a sheep right up there.
Where? Oh, let's go to that one. It's closer. They all look pretty fat to me.
I think that's a little one.
I want to pet the little one.
Who's that one?
Hopefully they're friendly.
Hey, that one has that earring.
Hey, that's Anna.
And then there's Tintin over there.
Where?
Over there.
Oh, I nearly tripped. Hi, Anna. Oh, she's walking away. Huh. Is that Tintin? Hey, look! Another sheep coming to us! Oh, no.
Poppy over there.
Aw, Tintin is cute. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, he's running. Ah! He's gonna eat my hair. Whoa, he's taking up half the room. He's really big. Hey, look, another one. Whoa, I can't believe I'm touching a sheep.
We're on it. We're on it.
They're so cute. Hi. Oh, guys, this is Bert. Hi, Bert. Oh, he likes me. I think he's gonna eat me. He's gonna chase me. Ah! Aw. Hey, I still have that Fijo. Wonder if they're gonna eat it. I'll just go have a look. There's
Leave it to
Rupert.
that one.
He's eating grass. I mean, of course he is. Hey, Rupert. I got something for you.
I don't have it.
Here, have a Fijoa. Here, I got a Fijoa for you. Big boy.
There's a Fijo.
Here, eat it. Wait, is he gonna eat it? I've never seen that before.
Oh my God, he ate
He's
it.
eating a Fijoa.
Who's this? I think it's Kristoff. Hi, Kristoff.
Hi, Kristoff. Oh, he's looking for more. Oh no, he's following me. He's gonna eat me. They're so cute.
Poppy. Let's go see Poppy.
Okay, let's go to Poppy.
I wonder where Dolores is.
Oh yeah, I wanted to see Dolores too.
Aw,
She's running away. Puppy.
She's nice. She's nice.
Puppy. Oh, she's so cute. Whoa, big face coming in here. Ah.
Oh, better run. Let's go see who's down there.
Okay.
They follow us.
Look at them. They're so cute.
Oh, they're so fat.
Super cute. I wonder who these ones are. Hey, look, it's Twin Llama Boy.
Yeah, Tintin girl and Tintin boy.
They must be brother and sister. Oh, it's Dolores. Dolores. Oh, she's so cute.
And then there's Tintin. Don't eat me. I know
Aw.
you're eating me. I like.
Oh, she's so cute. Hey, look, there's another sheep coming over. Hey, that's Twin.
We've got Tintin and Twin.
Ah! Something scared them.
Oh, what? Oh.
It's a bit windy. Hey, Twin Llama Boy. You're fluffy and cute. Give me a cuddle. Ah, don't eat my hands. Ow.
You want some food.
You
He
super
probably can
cute.
smell you had a Fijoa.
Oh, I just kissed him.
Oh, look at that guy coming. Look at him. Look at him.
Rolly roll.
He's marching down.
Whoa, he's coming at top speed. Oh, he nearly ate me.
What should we do now?
Twin Kristoff. Well, this has been amazing and so much fun.
I know.
Oh,
He's
Kristoff.
gonna eat me.
Let's run away. Oh no, I think he's coming.
Hold for us.
Come on, let's go.
We're safe. Let's go.
Okay, let's stop here. They haven't come to run after us.
Can we just lie
This is being
down
so much
and
fun.
sleep?
Really, Jessica? Get off me.
No. My face is dirty.
Well, that's what happens when you come to a farm.
That is kind of true.
Oh, this has been so much fun coming to the farm. Can't believe we're actually spending a whole week here. To be honest, I'm gonna survive. Don't know about you guys.
We haven't seen a rat.
Brooklyn, really?
They'll probably be sleeping or something. Just calm down.
Yeah. Who cares? Well, this has been so much fun. What are we gonna do tomorrow?
I don't know. Maybe we should go and find some puppies or dogs
Yeah.
or cows. Oh my gosh, yes. Great idea.
That's gonna be so
And
fun.
we can try to look for some rat holes.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Okay, rat holes.
Yeah, you guys said yeah, so we're doing it.
Okay. Yay! I'm so excited for tomorrow. Bye.